You know, say Alkaline sell out the Barclays. He will be he will be the first dancehall artist to sell out the Barclays Center who's never been incarcerated.
A few moments later.
Hear what? I think he will, just because his fans want to give him that bragging right.
Hey, y'all, come look at this.
I think it's a bad move. I think Alka shouldn't go to New York so quick. He was just in New York August, or for Labor Day weekend. I don't think he needs to be in New York immediately. This is a quick show. Alka should have do at least 1 year. Or what he could have do is give Alka the cartel date.
You never move your pussy wall and come down.
May I represent for one Media Fox? Media Fox, how the latest news them lock.
See JFA run out and them a chat about that one bag of thing, you know. Yeah, man. People, what me don't know. Why can't when me realize people, seeing? Me realize from Alkaline new rules, partnership with Reggae Fest in a Barclays Center, right? Me realize it just makes some people talk some bag of trash. Me don't know it's like when Alkaline do something, it's like it's a something with a talk about and do comparison and this and that and Ray and try to connect it to other people and all of them little things there. It could just be about Alkaline alone. But people, you have to make you hear the madness. You understand? Because I know you. I don't know them man have podcast with them type of level of IQ. Yeah.
Alkaline. Tell about Alkaline real quick. What if somebody touch up on my shoulder and say, you know, say Alkaline sell out the Barclays. He will be the first dancehall artist to sell out the Barclays Center who's never been incarcerated.
That's not a stat.
That is a stat.
ESPN shit.
That's a stat.
Like,
Tell me what's not a stat. Tell me what's not a stat.
What do you mean though? Okay, so you know.
You know what I mean? Like from this prison thing, it's like, brother, why not put prison with Alkaline brand? I don't understand how prison have to do with where the youth are keep him sure. When this prison thing forward up, brother, with a bag of artists, like, brother, a cartel alone go prison, dog. What prison thing have to do with Alkaline, but this narrative about yo Alkaline be only artist where no go prison. Brother, that didn't even sound good. That a bad thing for Alkaline brand, brother. Me don't understand. Why no could they say, yo, the only artist from the young generation a sell out Barclays Center? Why no couldn't say that? How prison drop in? Me don't understand this, dog. Yo, dog, we are telling people.
You're not only talking cards, you're talking Buju as well.
Would you do this?
Okay. No, I see.
That's a stat, bro.
No, I see why it's a stat.
That's a stat. No. That is definitely Cartel and Buju them definitely set the foundation. More Cartel than Buju, I will say. But that is a fact, bro, if he sell out the Barclays.
Do you think he will?
Hear what? I think he will, just because his fans want to give him that bragging right.
Yo, John, dog. You know, me realize them money a drink on them podcasts and just a chat a bag of madness. You are going to say Alkaline fans are going to forward out fame just for giving bragging rights. Me not understand that. You are say Cartel and Buju set the foundation. Bro, Barclays is just a venue there. Not because two man fought from prison and them absence in the game, nobody couldn't see them from behind bars and all of them little thing there. Means say it have nothing to do with the next man show, bro. You understand? Alkaline are doing thing. A years Alkaline are keep new rules. So how now no one put where Buju and Cartel do because of the prison thing and the absence I can't go to these countries. Me not understand that, dog. You understand? Me don't know what una try do, brother. Like, una try find something with the youth. The youth are doing thing in a Barclays. It not have nothing to do with Cartel. It's just a venue. You understand? It's a venue, dog. Like any other venue, bro. You see what me I try to say?
Not even because they want to just see me because they love alcohol. Right now, I feel like a man will sick and say, dog, I have to show.
It's almost showing Barclays again, 19?
Like 19, 20, that was. I think say them are just go because, bro, half a show for Vendetta boss right now. We can't flap him.
I mean, I will say this. If him find a way to sell it out, I'll have some conversations about it.
What conversation we can have though? There's not much conversation to have. He has his fan base. It's not the new one, no.
Bro. Fan base versus his career versus the Buju and Vibes Cartel in their longevities of their careers, you're going to look at him as a giant.
He is a giant. But I'm saying, does it make, if him sell out the Barclays, does it make him a bigger giant than what he already is?
No.
So what the convo?
No, but the same thing you're talking about is just a stat, bro. Because in his
What you mean? What you mean if him sell out Barclays, it gonna make a bigger giant? What you mean? Alkaline are the only artist we bust from 2013, bro. We are do this. So me don't know what you mean. Alkaline sold out in a Wembley arena. Now Barclays are forward up. What you talking about? You have Massacre. How much artists bust around Alkaline? Gauge all of them. How much artists bust around them time there? Them not do that. So if him do that, people are gonna say, yo, that you have him fans. What you talking about? You understand?
league or in his time when he's a top artist, who's gonna do that? Cartel and Buju aside, in his time, who you put in Alkaline League, artist-wise, in terms of who's around? Massacre.
That's a Popcaan ahead.
Okay. They're not selling up.
Brother, Jeffrey, I kind of understand say you're dip on a play role with Massacre thing. Massacre is not on Alkaline level. He's not, bro. You understand? I don't know where to get that from. Massacre is not headlining no arenas, fam. He's not. Alkaline and Massacre now pulling up big crowd like how Alkaline have him new rules. He's not, bro. You understand? I don't know where you get your information from. Because it's right there. The evidence is right there, bro. He's not on that level. Una use some little hot song we are going in Jamaica. See the man go over Nigeria with you and the girl asks him about Shensia, Calabar and all of them little thing there, bro. The girl not even know say him dep on the song, but the girl know Shensia song. It's like, me don't know, una live in a little small, a Jamaica world una live in a, bro. Me I tell you already, Jamaica world. Def Jam I try market him over Nigeria right now. So me don't know what I talk about, bro. Which level? Massacre ever headline on the arena yet? Him never had headline at arena, so what you talk about? Eh? What level? If say Massacre depend with Alkaline, tell me, name out the stats them. Una go say it's, but brother, be a hot song. I be a hot song, brother, because when him go out of the country and people them stand up, what kind of song this? People are listen him song them and say, yo, what fuss? Them no know none of his song them when man perform, bro. So what you try say? Una size up Massacre, you know, because they look at talk and all of them look at thing there, you know, brother. I don't have this so-called say, yo, I might drop the most hits, you know, when I hot song them, because when him go out, they go perform, the crowd stand up, them no know. You understand? Because una just in a Jamaica, una no see what go on out there in the world. You understand?
Barclays, bro.
Popcaan can't go to no Barclays.
That's what I'm saying, you can't even go.
If Popcaan can't go to Barclays, you must sell Barclays.
But we're doing an if and but here. That's the point.
Here.
It's still going to look. That's not the conversation. Him a go like it's going to make him look bigger than
the rest of them?
Yeah.
Hell no. Hell fucking no.
Why not?
Prime Massacre, but not Popcaan. Crazy?
You talking about if you talking?
Never mind that. Alright, if I can be real. If I can be no, you talk about realness.
Yeah.
Remember me and talk to.
And
Fox alone talk.
Alright, and Fox alone talk. But he can't even go there.
Who can go there?
Popcaan.
And that make it even better. That's why Cartel can't do it because he couldn't even go there.
So where y'all bring up, you see say Jeffrey in no sense, you know? In no sense. So why y'all bring up the Popcaan thing? Because at the end of the day, yes, if Popcaan go to US, Popcaan never, I don't know if Popcaan performing in the United States. So yes, he might go sell out the Barclays. It not have nothing to do with Alkaline show, bro. You understand? It not go do, yeah, Popcaan maybe more international based on him design to OVO and Drake and all of them little thing there. But what happened to Popcaan now when him an independent artist? You understand? So, brother, where you try to say, I don't know how comes Popcaan dropping at this conversation, bro. You understand? Him shouldn't even have that conversation.
That's the realness. Because remember, look on dancehall. For reason. Make up the doctor reason. Has Buju Banton been in the arena since?
Since we know?
Since him do the arena them?
No.
Cartel do him thing, him do it at a different level, for sure. But Cartel, I think all of these things need a story. And that I feel Alkaline with this Barclays show. That's why I feel like if it ram, I just, the climate over here, the fans them are brag for them artists right now.
But bro, that makes
sense. DJ song
Dog. Jeffrey must drink. He must drink, brother. The man say Alkaline a keep him showing a Barclays need a story. When since in a dancehall for your artist keep him show need a story, dog. Bro, I don't know. Yo, it's like, bro, una keep, it's like una want put this prison thing with Cartel story with the other rest of artists them. And that me realize what kind of story you talk about with show. What story have to do with an artist and him fans them come support him? What kind of story that? Me not because Cartel fouled from prison and that story that a Cartel story him make himself end up in a prison, brother. I feel him destiny that I make that destiny there, brother. And him couldn't get no visa back then for forward in the United States. It not have nothing to do with Alkaline Barclays, but no story, bro. It's just an artist who have him fans who come support him. That's it. Me don't know when since story of it in a Barclays and all of them little things. Yo, dog, tell you about them money, bro. Jeffrey, we kind of say in your feelings, bro.
DJ my song, I can't DJ my song. Remember, you just said if time must have been. If time and maybe, right? So I'm saying to you, this Popcaan already have a story. Popcaan, first time in America. Done. Majority of dancehall artists can sell out Amazura because it was their first time. Nothing else, nothing more. You got New York 3 more time, Amazura don't want to see you. That's so it go. So I'm saying Popcaan have the story, Alkaline don't. You see me? So
People, a story sell show now? At that moment, I know if a story sell show, dog. How long now Alkaline a keep? Because them not understanding, them keep on talk about reggae fest. Brother, a reggae fest and new rules a keep the show in a Barclays. Get that straight. So all these years, Alkaline a keep new rules, right? Me never hear nobody talk about him for forward with a story. Me never hear of that. So Cartel come from prison now, and the prison story, no Alkaline, nah no story. Him need a story or him not have a story for Ray in a Barclays. Me not, yo, you know, dog. Me telling the dog. Me not know. You see, when me realize that's why Alkaline I go be great, you know. Because me realize when other people do things, it's like, oh yeah man, them a do it. But when Alkaline a do it, them find some way. If find some excuses or something about story, Alkaline and a story and this and that. Me never know say a story kid. Wait there. A bedtime story thing I go on now or a reading book. Me never know say a story time thing this we keep show now. Eh? People not just put up them video, you put up the artist and this and that. And show keep. When since you have story now? Me not understand that.
if I should bet who can sell out Barclays right now, I'm gonna bet more to Poppy. But I'm gonna say the climate now in dancehall is, yo, my artist win a Grammy, yo, my artist sell gold. So the fans them are gonna just come out for Alka. Really and truly, I think it's a bad move. I think Alka shouldn't go to New York so quick. He was just in New York August after Labor Day weekend. I don't think he needs to be in New York immediately. This is a quick show. Alka should do at least 1 year. Or what you could do is give Alka the cartel date where you give him for something like the same Labor Day weekend. Cause 2 days sugar, right?
Yeah.
CJ go. So that's what I think. But I'm gonna say, I think.
Yo, people. I don't know, dog. I don't know. I feel like say, bro, I feel like it come like say dog. It come like say Cartel and Alkaline like them. I don't know if them born in the same era or what, brother. Because, bro, this I get very serious now. You are tell me say, here what you gonna say now? It better Barclays Center name Vice Cartel Center to rot it. Because our Barclays Center, Vice Cartel Barclays Center or something. Because you are gonna say, better them give Alkaline New Rules / Reggae Fest. The date where them give Cartel. Bro, what Alkaline show have to do with Cartel, brother? New Rules never keep before Cartel come from prison. Uno never did have the narrative, yeah. So Cartel come out now and show if you keep on where them give Cartel, bro. Yo, dog. Uno dangerous, brother. Uno dangerous, my youth. Yes, Popcaan would have sell out Barclays. Because him never been performing in the United States, bro. You don't have some common sense, no brother. What that have to do with Alkaline show? Eh? If Alkaline fans want to forward out for him, them go forward out, brother. It not have nothing to do with no story and all of these things. So my time when I fall up on the media and chat some trash, dog. Like, when you have a podcast and not even listen to one, I say, brother.
The fans are gonna just come out for Alka because them don't want flapping. They want him to get the bragging rights, bro. And that's a dancer, but there's no story to it. One more point. Kid, Alka. Yeah. And I'm saying I met him when I was a kid.
Right.
And the story is there. What is the story?
You said the narrative. Fine. There's a story and there's a narrative.
Story.
But guess what? Why if you do it without it?
Alka?
Yeah.
And I'm saying I'm betting that he will do it without it. But my point was just this, you know. You guys are Popcaan is a if, and I'm saying Popcaan is not a scam likely. It's a scam for sure.
Definitely not a scam likely.
No, man. Alka thing I'm saying, I feel like the fans them are come out for giving the hype, bro.
Yo, dog. Jeffrey. Brother, I don't know. I see why nobody not to, go up on your panel, brother. You really, I don't know, bro. It's like the way you talk are some emotional damage or what? I don't know, brother. Like, you are say Alkaline fans are going forward out just to give him bragging rights. Me never know that. Me did think that them afford to support them artists and come see them artists perform. Because remember, you know, Alkaline no in the media every day. So him fans them go always want to see him. You understand? Me never know say it's bragging rights. So wait there. New rules we keep a Trelawney. I never bragging rights that. New rules we keep a Wembley in a UK. I never bragging rights that. New rules we keep a Stadium Car Park. I never bragging rights that. No, I never bragging rights. But when Cartel come out now and use a venue, which is Barclays, right? Because there are so many shows Cartel do, where Alkaline do, based on Cartel get the bookings and then after Alkaline get the bookings. So how them they not have no story? Me not understand that. How comes when Alkaline are going to do Barclays now? Because I feel like we don't give this ownership when it comes to Vice Cartel, Barclays thing, bro. It's a venue, brother. It's a venue. Only thing, difference from the other rest of venue them, based on when them they are Jamaica, is just that the Jamaica one them now no cover, it now no seat and all of them little thing there, bro. That's the difference. It's just a venue, bro. It's just an event auditorium, an event hall. That's all, bro. And the bigger the artist is, the level, whatever absence him they have in the dancehall space, people are going to forward out come see him. Either him loyal fans them, or him wagonist fans them, or people who just love music. It still not have nothing to do with a fan forward out or fans forward out to support them artists. We not talk about story and all of them. Them think they're madness, bro. And about bragging rights. So, Alkaline fans forward out to support him. A bragging rights, uno look at that as? Yo, dog, me I tell you. Uno feel like say everything Alkaline and him fans them do. Uno feel like say them a meds Cartel, bro. Fi say, yo, me I do this for show say, yo, Cartel a look. Bro, them must some support them artists, brother. Same like how Cartel fans them forward out come see him on a stage, are the same thing with Alkaline. You understand?
Nah, flap Alka. I tell them, nah, flap him.
And if they do?
And if they do, it is just they just do. I don't think it make him bigger or whatever. It's gonna be good. I just for the start. Like, yo, but do this, I'm never go jail. It's gonna be good for the start.
Level on.
Where that start they forward from? Me sell out Barclays and me never go prison. Bro, me no know. Them money are try attach Cartel prison thing to other artists in a dog. At that me realize in a brother. Them thing they don't even sound good, bro. Eh? Oh, me sell out Barclays and me never go prison. Blood clot, brother. Me I tell you, bro. No wrong with you, no dog.
How they come out?
26.
Is which I guess it can't use. Not talking about alcohol. I guess it can't use New Level Unlocked. What is when
People hear that man this way, man. I'm gonna talk.
New Level Unlocked they come out?
2016.
What month?
Oh, month.
I'll go look.
Yeah, that one just need a story, but I'm say I'm somebody a conversation. What you say, Job?
March 25th, 2016.
So that's it.
That's the story.
But then I tell you that. You have the story. You have the story. That's TJ. And you watch right now.
You owe me.
Yeah,
New Level Unlocked.
that is a story.
March 2016, 10 years
That is
ago.
a story.
That's the story. That's it.
That is a proper story. Guess why too? Guess why? It worked perfect for them. Everybody I thought about 2026 2016.
Yeah, this, yeah. This is the story.
You see the dad could have put a ferry up on that?
That is the
You see
story.
him could have put a ferry up on that and get the Yankee them to come out?
Yeah, them outside.
I remember Jamaicans love ferry up doing them, bro.
They do.
Yes, man.
CJ.
Yo, you know say Jeffrey a madman. Jeffrey, now you were there tell people them say, yo, Alkaline na Barclays, don't put no big artists. No use nobody, just use himself. Now you tell if Fediwap go pan brother, Fediwap. People when realize the man them keep on attach the prison thing to the youth show. When realize. When try use Cartel thing, prison and story. Now where the Fediwap forward out from prison, una try use the prison thing again. If you say if Fediwap go pan brother, Fediwap I go keep him own a show, bro. Where Fediwap I do pan new rules. Not because Bang Vice Cartel show, you see, rapper forward come give him strength and all of them thing there, brother. New rules are different thing, dog. A Alkaline show that. They show them with the rapper forward pan for Cartel, a CJ Milan, and different promoter show, not Cartel shows. You understand? Cartel just get booked for the show them. You understand? Some don't know how Fediwap thing drop in, bro. I realize, you see, whatever Alkaline do, you can't just give the youth him credit and just move on, bro. You have to try to involve a next man destiny or a next man movement for try to make it look like the youth now do nothing. Because none of the artists them were boss from 2013, the young generation we are talking about. We're not talking about Cartel era them and Popcaan. I remember say Popcaan boss before Alkaline. You understand? We're not talking about that. We're talking about it when Alkaline boss during that era there. Him alone do what him do, brother. So that's leverage. You understand? Fame little generation, that's leverage, bro. You see it? We don't care about what cartel them a do and Popcaan them a do. Them in the game for a while. You understand? Them get for them strength and who give them strength. You see what I try to say?
That's the story.
CJ.
It needs a story, bro. It can't be reggae fest. What the fuck?
5% of their earnings.
Come on, man. What
People, you know what the problem? Them mania, you can't, you see the one them wanna read? Trust me, the one them wanna understand and talk about a trash, for them emotions really higher. Because look, you know, him just say reggae fest a while ago, and him not realize that, bro, it's not reggae fest alone. It's a partnership, brother. It's a partnership. Reggae fest and new rules. You see me? Reggae fest and new rules, dog. When you stop getting the narrative wrong. When you keep on a call out CJ Milan, and it's not CJ Milan I keep the show alone. It's CJ Milan and new rules. Two different brands. We not get it wrong this up.
So much.
That's the story right
We're
there.
not asking for much. Yeah.
10th anniversary New Level.
People, I tell you, it no matter what Alkaline do, they gonna try find some way to size up somebody or do somebody. But I want to really see how them people are stay. It's like when other people do it, them can just give them people the props without even involve nobody or try to compare. But when Alkaline do it now, them try find some way to try leverage down. I say, yo, him need a story. Get Fedi Wap Fedi on the show that would have good. After him just say, yo, Alkaline not forget no big artist or whatsoever upon him show, you know. Which, bro, for years, Alkaline have him show them, brother. You see me? A beer headline. Most time show them what him do, him a headline to show them. The one we keeping a Barclays last year, bro, a lot of different fans, which Alkaline fans was there a lot, but a lot of different fans who come out who will love music and who will rate the artist. You understand? Now, him a do new rules, partnership with Reggae Fest. That's a difference, fam. You understand? That's a difference. You see it. But people, when I don't know, you know, yeah, man, if I correct the narrative, man, you know what things said. Big up on yourself. 1 media facts. That is it.